Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export products in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your product catalog, transfer data to another platform, or simply keep an offline record of your inventory. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Catalog and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this expanded menu, go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to the section where all your store items are managed. From here, you can preview all the products you have added to your Wix website store. You'll see a comprehensive list displaying product names, images, pricing, and other relevant details. This view gives you a clear overview of your entire inventory, making it easy to identify which items you want to export. Take a moment to scan through and ensure you're familiar with what's listed. To export products, simply click on the checkbox on the left of each item you wish to include in your export. As you start selecting items, you'll notice that a product's header appears at the top of the page with additional options. From this header, click on Export. This action tells Wix that you're ready to download your product information. A small export window will appear on your screen. From here, you have control over what gets exported. You can select if you wish to export all items by choosing that option from the radio button, or you can stick with the selected option if you only want to export the items you checked earlier. This flexibility is helpful if you have a large catalog but only need specific products exported. Once you've decided which option suits your needs, click on Export. After a brief moment, you'll receive a CSV file containing all the item details from your catalog. This file can be opened in spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to review, edit, or use elsewhere. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your products from Wix, giving you full control over your product data outside the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.